Most people spend months grinding away at job boards, sending hundreds of applications, chasing certifications that they think should impress hiring managers. And still, no calls, no offers. Why? Because what hiring managers really want, almost nobody tells you. But today, we are going to. We have spoken to dozens of hiring managers across GRC and compliance. And today, I'm going to show you what they look for, what they ignore, and how you can start showing up as the candidate that they want to hire, even if you have no prior experience or certifications. Stick around because we are about to leak their entire checklist. Let's dive in. The first thing is that they're not expecting you to be highly technical. Let me repeat that, because 90% of people looking at cyber roles miss this one thing. They do not care if you can configure a firewall or write Python. They do care if you are trustworthy, if you understand risk, policy, and can help a business stay compliant. In GRC, trust and judgment are the currency. If you've worked in healthcare, education, finance, HR, project management, you already know how to follow procedures, manage sensitive data, and enforce policies. That is gold in GRC. Secondly, hiring managers are not impressed by, I am passionate about cybersecurity, I'm a quick learner and a team player. Random certifications without context. They are impressed when you can show that you can break down risk for non-technical audiences. You know how data, policy, risk, and business connect. You understand frameworks and why they matter. If you can do that, you stand out immediately. Here's a tip. On your resume, don't just list Security Plus or GRC frameworks. Instead, say skilled in applying NIST and ISO frameworks to reduce business risk. Experience in mapping policies to operational controls. That is what hiring managers want to hear. Here's the truth. GRC is not a check in the box field. Hiring managers don't want someone who can simply list rules. They want someone who understands why this matters to business. One mistake in a control could cost millions in fines. A weak vendor due diligence process could cost sensitive data. They want you to think of the company as your very own. That's why judgment, critical thinking, and big picture understanding matter more than a single tool or certification. And that's what you can bring, even from a non-technical background, if you understand how GRC actually works. Let's break it down. Here is the insider checklist that we've heard again and again from hiring managers. Trustworthiness. Do they trust you with sensitive information? Business mindset. Can you explain how risk connects to company goals? Process driven. Can you follow and improve frameworks? Communication. Can you document clearly and report risks? Judgment. Do you understand the why behind policies? Notice what's missing. Knows every tool. Has 5+ certifications. Comes from an IT background. If you focus on the real checklist, you get hired faster. Period. So if you've been thinking, am I even qualified? Will anyone hire me without a tech background? Now you know the truth. Hiring managers aren't looking for coders. They're looking for critical thinkers that they can trust. And if you want a step-by-step process to show up as that candidate, comment GRC below and we'll show you exactly how you can translate your experience, build confidence, and land that 6-figure role faster than you think. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.